What is good, y'all? We over here at the homie house, man. Checking out his tomatoes, his garden. Nice little thick stalk on that thing, no homo.
There's a couple of tomatoes coming.
I was peeping you.
I forgot where they at.
See a little.
Right here, one right there, one right there.
Yeah, I see it.
There's one right
one
there.
coming in. Are these two the same?
One is the big boy and the other one is the better boy.
This better boy. Okay, so it's not some fat to me.
I realized that they both got better boy tags on them.
Oh, okay.
But one of them is, I don't know which one is which.
You gonna find out.
Yeah. What's up?
What's up, girl?
Hello.
Got some strawberries. They growing. These flowers just gotta get pollinated.
Off the plant, bro? I don't know if the kids knocked it off or what.
I'm gonna check you out.
Daddy.
What?
Flowers looking good.
A big one.
Spider, did I get it?
Yeah, mommy talked to somebody.
You got plenty of little flower buds.
The rats.
You got one coming in right here.
But
Like another one coming in right there.
I don't remember his name. It wasn't talking about the animal.
Got a whole bunch of other ones coming in. Got some watermelon. These are the Black Diamond watermelon. Different variety from the one I got at home. Looks good though. See, we got the bucket grill going on.
How do you find the fruits on
3 days later.
What is good, y'all? YD here back. Everything is looking lush and beautiful. We'll start off with these sweet potatoes. Look how tall they getting. Before they was in the bucket, now they coming out of the bucket. Don't know too much about these. Don't know if they vine out or what, but we gonna find out what they do. All I know is they looking good right now. They all got this one that's regrowing, or not regrowing, but coming out, and it's got this purplish hue to it. But let's check out my watermelons. They getting entwined with each other right now. I don't know what's going on. Look at this. He grabbing him, and this one's grabbing that one. Look at that. They got each other. They grabbing each other, keeping each other up. And that little homie right here struggling to grow. But all in all, they looking good, man. These ones, they struggling, but they getting there, man. They getting there. Might be a minute for them. Broccoli, looking good as always. I don't know when it's gonna do what it's supposed to do. I don't even know how that works. But hey, we got our little resident spider. Let me see if I can zoom in. I ain't seeing him right there. He in there sleep. And he got two little water drops with him sleeping. Yeah, I see you, bro. I ain't gonna mess with you. But all in all, everything looks good. Go down to our peppers. You see we got one Tabasco pepper coming in. Almost in. We got all these flowers. So all these flowers are gonna turn into little peppers. We got one jalapeno coming in. Had a little rain this morning, so that's pretty cool. I haven't watered these guys in so long because all the rain we've been getting. Strawberries, look at it. You see it? They're starting to do their thing. Got a few strawberries coming in. Aloe plant look good. Growing, looking good. I don't know what that is, but it's growing and looking good. Our sunflowers, look how tall they is. They trying to get taller than everything else here. That's what they gonna do. That's what sunflowers do. Reach for the sun. But all in all, everything looks like everything. Stay tuned for more, y'all. I'm out.
3 days later.
What is going on, y'all? Back here with an update, showing y'all everything. This is our sweet potatoes. As y'all see, it's reaching out now. They starting to stretch out and reach out, trying to go places. Over here, look how big the leaves are, bro. Look at this. These is about big, almost big as my hand. Bigger than my palm for sure. But these is the watermelons. Looking good. Everything looking good. They trying to, as you see, they got their tendrils. They trying to grab on the stuff. Find somewhere to connect to. Over here, we have our cantaloupe. And it's growing, but it's taking its time. It's growing slow. It's finally reaching out the bucket. But we're gonna see how that goes with that. Our broccoli's going crazy since I put it out here. Look at this. This looks pretty tall. Then we got our resident spider, man. Maybe I can see the spider web right here. He's up under that leaf right there. Let's see if I can get him cleared up. But it's little orange flies and stuff out the garden, man. Keep the garden looking spick and span. Then we got our peppers. It's been going crazy. Look at this. We got almost a full Tabasco pepper already. We got little ones coming in left and right on this thing, man. Right here. I think some other ones somewhere down here somewhere. But got Tabascos coming in left and right. We finally got jalapeno coming in. Zoom in a little bit. You can see that. Finally got a jalapeno coming in. We're gonna see how big that gets. These supposed to be the mammoth jalapenos. It's supposed to get abnormally large. I still want to try to experiment with the flowers. So what I'm gonna have to do is trim around, pick one of these, probably this one. We're gonna cut the bulb open, and we're gonna have to take one of these open male flowers and pollinate it, and we're gonna have a Tabasco jalapeno, maybe a giant Tabasco pepper. I think I figured out my son's plant is marigolds, some type of marigold or something. I went and Googled the leaves, and it came up as a marigold. Strawberries, look at it. This thing's trying to, where is it going? We got strawberry. Look at this thing, about pretty much done, almost. We got other strawberries growing. Look at that. Going in there going crazy. My son calls it golden. These ones golden strawberries. You don't want to eat them. Aloe plant is getting huge. It's growing up, getting sharp. Look at that. It ain't had no teeth on it. They got teeth on it now. There's our sunflowers. Sunflowers getting real tall. Real tall. Waiting to see what they do. It's my first time growing sunflowers. All in all, everything looks good. Everything's getting big, looking good.